I can't breathe. Take off this top. Take off this top. मेरे को emotional कर दिया. भैया 500 में दे दो.
500 last. How did dance happen?
Everyone tells you it's a hobby. So that was something that took time. Otherwise, I knew it.
Did you think dance cannot be a career? But look at her.
Every time if I run into Ranveer Singh, तेरा ये गाना कितना अच्छा है. ये step कितना अच्छा है. You cannot dance like Prabhu sir. The way he moves, मतलब एक ऐसे ऐसे move कर रहे हो. I'm like ये मुझ पे कितना funny लगने वाला. But I was like, I'm going to go all in. This is the privilege to
Oh
have
my God.
celebrity stylist come with you and help you shop.
तो आज सभी को पता ही होगा कि Bandra has my heart. And that goes without saying. So today we are going to do another banger episode of Gully Fashion with someone who is enigmatic, full of life, powerful. Well, talking about power, I am sure you must have taken a guess. If not, let me tell you. Nobody but Shakti Mohan. Hi Shakti, I'm Gaga.
Hi Gaga.
Lovely, and I feel grateful to have you on Gully Fashion. So thank you for showing up.
Thank you, and this is a very different experience for me.
Okay.
I am very nervous. I have not done street shopping in
Wow.
years. मतलब
Wow.
college में करी थी. So please help me out today.
So इसी बहाने I guess आज हम बहुत सारी मस्ती और bargaining और shopping करने वाले हैं. So shall we?
Yes.
All right, perfect. So look one, I was thinking I will probably create by myself. I will style Shakti in the Gaga mode, and I will leave another look for Shakti. So does that sound like a plan?
Yeah. Because I am terrible at shopping. Like the minute I see choices, I go blank.
I see.
I'm confused. I always go with my mom or my sister to shop because I can't make a decision. So I'm very happy. Can you style all my looks?
I don't mind. I mean, I love my job, so why not? But आप last time कब आए हो street shopping करने?
It was definitely when I was in college. मुझे याद है हम लोग I was in Xavier's.
Oh, wow.
हम लोग वहाँ पे वो fashion street
Street Colaba.
हम वहाँ पे बहुत जाते थे. Hill Road भी बहुत आते थे. यहाँ पर भी आते थे. But yeah, it's been 18 years or 20 years.
Fabulous years, and Shakti has not come out street shopping. Wow. So after 18 years, I guess हम वो व्रत तोड़ने वाले हैं. So finally she's out. So I think we should start from there, just so that we don't miss out on a lot of shops.
Okay.
Do you have like a specific color in your mind when it's summer, or you just like to go with
Yes.
Yes.
I like blue a lot. I like pleasant, very
pleasant? Okay.
light colors, not
Okay.
too much.
Pastels.
Yeah, pastels I
Okay.
like.
So I was thinking, since it's summer, let's not do something very tight on the body. Let's
Yeah.
keep it very free and loose.
Yeah.
Okay. Because that is who you are as a
Yeah.
character. So shall we?
Okay.
Move in here?
So,
I mean, it's a nice
I'm not a skirt person.
person. Wow.
या तो
I'm
dress
not a
या फिर
skirt
cord
person.
sets. क्योंकि मैं ऑफिस
Basic चीजों के लिए हमारे पास वक्त नहीं है. 2026 is not about basics.
Yes. Actually, why don't you only decide? So let me
Okay,
know.
all right. So not necessarily that we have to like something over here. If
Yeah.
not, then there are many shops out there. You four sisters.
Yeah.
Okay, Shakti, Mukti, Neeti and Kriti. आपने कभी खींचातानी की है? Snatching each other's clothes from the wardrobe and fighting over clothes. Has all that happened in your childhood?
It's definitely happened many times, especially with Mukti, my
Okay.
younger sister. Once I remember, our mother used to take us street shopping in Delhi. और दिल्ली में एक शॉप थी करोल बाग में. वहाँ से मम्मी ने एक टॉप लिया, which was a nice like a tank top, crop top उस जमाने में. So we both looked alike and we still look alike. तो आके ना मैंने जल्दी से वो टॉप पहन लिया and we were going out. So Mukti, you know what she did? She stopped her breath.
Okay.
She's like, I can't breathe. Take
Okay.
off this top. Take off this top, otherwise
Wow.
I'll die. I'm like, die. I'm not taking it off.
Wow.
So dramatic. I couldn't believe that she was doing all of this to get that top off me. So yeah, we have done a lot of china japti. Like there'll be days I will hang my outfit, go to the bathroom, and then she's wearing it and she's left.
Suddenly it disappears off the hanger.
So yeah, now तो she's married.
Okay.
And I live by myself. So अभी बहुत peace and calm है. वरना इतना मैं और दीदी लड़ते थे उससे.
Oh wow.
I
Well, in
hope
that
Golu
case,
is not watching.
I hear you.
Yeah.
So Shakti, tell me, how do you blend traditional Indian dance with a touch of modern fashion trend?
In choreography or in outfits?
Anyway, the audience would still love to know.
Okay, so basically, because I'm trained in Bharatanatyam and contemporary, it comes very naturally too. Because usually I keep sometimes the lower body in Bharatanatyam and upper body in, Western. Sometimes I reverse it. So I love that freedom to, play around with that. When it comes to dancing in, Indian contemporary, then I usually keep something very flowy at the bottom because that really helps enhance your movements.
Wow.
And keep something like a sports bra or something on top. So yeah, that really fuses together well.
Wow. I love that. I love that. Thank you. So I have seen some wonderful collections of cordsets that he has.
Okay.
I personally had liked this because it
Okay.
has a skirt,
Oh,
but
that's
since
so
you said you
cute.
don't like skirts, so I am going to force you to wear skirt today
Very
because
cute.
that's one
I
thing
love
like.
it.
So I think
Nice.
this speaks summer. I
Yeah.
love the pastels. I
Yeah.
think pastels would look good on you, on your skin tone as well. भैया अच्छा आपको ना तो देखो मैंने फिलहाल तो हम बहुत ही एक डिफिकल्ट टाइम से गुजर रहे थे लास्ट 10-15 मिनट्स वी वर नॉट एबल टू चूज एन आउटफिट फॉर मैम बट अभी उनको कुछ पसंद आ गया सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड हम कुछ समरवेयर जैसे शॉपिंग करना चाह रहे हैं तो जरा इसका प्राइस बता दीजिए 800 डू यू थिंक 800 इज अ फेयर डील शक्ति
Whatever you say.
हाँ डू यू वांट टू ट्राई आस्किंग यू आई वांट टू सी
हाँ.
कलर तो मुझे पाउडर ब्लू बहुत ज्यादा पसंद
Yeah,
आया
that's very cute.
white is there, off-white is
Yeah.
also there, but this has something going on. So 800 from 1000. Last time आपने ऐसे कुछ खरीदा 800 में?
नहीं.
नहीं? Okay. चलो ठीक है. I think
I am really liking whatever is here.
हाँ.
It's very
सब कुछ
nice.
पसंद आ रहा है. आपके शॉप का नाम क्या है? C15 होली
उनके देखिए
collection.
थोड़ा अंदर.
हाँ देख सकते हैं. Even your fans, the audience, my viewers, the fans of Gully Fashion as well want to know how did dance happen?
डांस ना बहुत नेचुरली आया जैसे मेरी आँख नाक मुंह आया वैसे ही अंदर से डांस भी बचपन से ही आ गया बट वो करियर पाथ में पहुंचने तक वो ऐसा होता है ना योर ब्रेन एंड योर हार्ट इज फाइटिंग बिकॉज एवरीवन टेल्स यू इट्स अ हॉबी सो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट टुक टाइम अदरवाइज आई न्यू इट I knew it when I was a little girl that this is what I want to do, but I was just afraid to say it because everyone thinks that ये थोड़ी ना कोई profession होता है.
It can't be a career. People
Correct.
think dance cannot be a career, but look at her, stunning.
I'm very grateful to everyone who has supported me because it wouldn't be without you all.
That's
Because
true.
I knew that I wanted to dance, irrespective it works or doesn't work out, because that's the kind of life I wanted, and it's just they all have added so much value to what I believed in. What do you think of this? Are you sure?
This is.
पिंक कलर
Like a everyday get out and meet your family.
But I honestly feel more than that. That is more.
Oh, that we are taking.
Huh.
We can
But-
take two. Oh.
We can.
Okay.
Can. But then look two has to be a little different.
Okay, done.
Like
So let's
completely
take
has to. हाँ.
हाँ.
हाँ. तो वो तो हम
अभी
करेंगे.
bargain मेरा टेस्ट होने वाला है.
हाँ हाँ. Trust me, when I have been coming here,
I am
I've
so
been coming
grateful
here-
to you, Gaga, because मुझे fashion के बारे में life में मतलब कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
अच्छा.
So thank you
You
for
have met the right person in that case.
this is the privilege to
Oh
have
my God! Thank
a
you.
stylist or a celebrity stylist come with you and help you shop.
Thank you.
How
thank
cool
you
is
so
this?
much. Yeah, wow.
So अब मेरा
moving on.
bargaining test होने वाला है.
हाँ.
अभी दोस्तों आप लोग देखेंगे कि मैं कितनी बुरी हूँ इस
तो
चीज में.
आपने कहा कि आप 800 से कुछ कम करोगे नहीं बिकॉज आप जिद्दी हो आपसे ज्यादा जिद्दी हूँ मैं
एक्चुअली आप लोग को पहचान तो इसलिए आपको 800
ओह अरे यार ऐसे मत बोलो बिकॉज व्यूअर्स को लगता है कि हम यहाँ लूटने आते हैं बट द होल पॉइंट इज पीपल डोंट नो स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग इज ऑल अबाउट बार्गेनिंग एंड हम जबरदस्ती कभी किसी से
भैया
कुछ खरीदते
Instagram
हैं
अभी
नहीं
कैन आई ट्राई बार्गेनिंग भैया 500 में दे दो.
हाँ जी
500 में दे दो.
आपको बार्गेनिंग सूट नहीं करता
ओह वाओ
मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ ऐसा मुझे पहले ही फेल मत करो.
सही है
नहीं
आपसे
देखो
बार्गेनिंग करना रहता ना तो आपको मैं अलग ही रेट बताता लेकिन आपने समझ गया
कर दो 700 वो भी खुश मैं भी
मेरी
खुश।
इसकी बेइज्जती
अरे कर दो
कर
आप
दी मैंने ट्राई करने से पहले ही.
अच्छी है आप इतने अच्छे से
देखो
प्यार
आपकी
से
कितनी-
मुस्कुरा रहे हो
कितने लोग वीडियो बना रहे हैं
है
आपकी
ना?
प्रमोशन हो रही है.
और देखो रही बात C16 बोला ना आपने C15 में हम
भैया।
हमने बहुत प्यारा सा कॉर्ड सेट खरीदा है फॉर शक्ति जी 700 में मिल गया है। देखो भैया जी ने खुशी खुशी में दिया है हमें ये कपड़ा, हमें इनको लूटा नहीं है। अगर लूटना होता तो वो नहीं देते। इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट, है ना?
Do people say this? कि हम
नहीं, people say everything, but I will do what I want. This is my show. End of the topic. And you don't
फाइनल
have
क्या
to,
हुआ भैया?
you don't have to be,
अरे वाह।
do it. That's the whole point. of
What?
the show.
That's why I was carrying the bag.
No.
अरे
You can keep your bag aside. We
अरे?
have enough money for our
भैया मैं मजाक
beautiful
कर रही थी, मुझसे
fans
bargaining नहीं
and
होती
our
है, मैं ऐसे try
actors.
कर रही थी। आपको बुरा लग गया?
We say a big no to plastic. So
I
I
was
will
just
hold
gonna
it in
say
my
this.
hand.
Yes, thank
So
you.
thank you भैया.
और ऐसे ही आप सब शॉपर्स को बुलाते रहो। Thank you.
So I found these dresses very pretty
Okay.
and it's quite trending. Like I love this whole corset thing going on. So what do you have to say? I love the mint green, to be very honest.
Yeah.
About you.
I'm wondering if I'll wear this.
Why not? Trust me, wear it once and that is how you'll get to understand if this is you or not.
Okay.
Huh? But does that sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Because I have seen you believe in experimenting a lot. I have seen her wearing Indo-Western, Western, traditional. I think you have a mix of everything in your wardrobe.
Yeah.
है ना? So in that case, I am going to make Shakti experiment a little with Gaga today, and that's the whole point of doing Gully fashion. यार, come on. 700 का है और 600 में कट, चलो ठीक है। आई थिंक आज हमें एक्चुअल में ज्यादा बार्गेन करना नहीं पड़ रहा है बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट द शॉपकीपर्स टू अर्न वेल। हम यहाँ किसी को लूट नहीं रहे हैं, हमें बस
What do you think?
इट्स ब्यूटीफुल। आपके
Yeah.
मिरर है यहाँ पे? अच्छा, आप देख सकते
It's cute actually. It's nice.
हैं। So are you Shakti? So while I am buying this, ये तो हम खरीद ही लेंगे, बार्गेन करने की जरूरत नहीं बिकॉज भैया जी ने कह दिया है कि 600 रुपए का है।
I am so happy that you are there,
हाँ,
guiding me and also bargaining for me.
Oh, yes,
मैंने
yes,
जो
yes.
bargain किया वो
I
भैया ने तो
love-
पूरा मेरे को
I
emotional
love
कर दिया.
it. Like, can you believe I bought these pants right from here for $200 or like 2 weeks ago? Yeah. He was not giving it to me for 200.
I love it.
When you're shopping with Gaga, you have to bargain with me.
You all have to shop with her. Now I have to come with you and shop.
Yes.
Can I call you her?
Yeah. Pronounce that
Okay.
she and her. Oh, thank you. So moving back to this outfit, but Pritam Pyare, one of the most iconic item songs that we've been listening to. शादी हो या बारात, मेहंदी हो या कोई और celebration हो, ये song बजता ही है.
Really?
Of course. I mean, I still listen to it. I still perform on it. So, can you take us through the journey? How did you feel while you were shooting for this Pritam Pyare song?
So the minute I got a call, this was right after I think Dance India Dance, and I was thrilled and like it was Bhansali Productions. So I just ran and I was confused like have they really called me or not? And वहाँ Yashraj Studios जो है वहाँ पे इतना बड़ा इतने सारे dancers थे and I walk in my denim shorts and t-shirt ऐसे तो I was very nervous. But then I saw Prabhu sir. Prabhu sir was directing and Vishnu Deva sir was choreographing. And then I see these crazy moves. मतलब जो पूरा उस टाइम पे इतना नहीं था अभी जितना टॉलीवुड है. So for me it was brand new and you cannot dance like Prabhu sir. The way he moves, मतलब एक ऐसे मूव कर रहे हो और हम ये मुझ पे कितना फनी लगने वाला. बट आई एम गोइंग टू गो ऑल इन. और हमारा 3 दिन का शूट था, नाइट शूट समवेयर इन बहुत आगे मड के साइड.
Okay.
रात भर शूट होता था एंड इट वाज क्रेजी. मतलब इट वाज सुपर फन. आई लव डांसिंग एंड घाघरे में भी ना वो मतलब उन्होंने मेरा देखा हुआ था व्हाट ऑल आई कैन डू फ्लिप्स एंड ये वो. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला स्प्लिट भी करने के लिए.
Wow.
घाघरे में स्प्लिट कर रही हूँ मैं, जंप्स कर रही हूँ. It was a lot of fun.
Beautiful. Thank you.
And this song, every time if I run into Ranveer Singh, तेरा ये गाना कितना अच्छा है, ये step कितना अच्छा है, और every time he's like, he starts singing and he starts dancing.
Wow.
So it's very cute.
कहाँ गए आप? ओके, आप यहाँ हो. आप 600 में देना चाहते हो? चलो हम ले लेते हैं और यहाँ हम यहाँ से निकल जाएंगे.
अब 7 करोड़ में दे दो.
प्लास्टिक बैग है तो प्लास्टिक बैग में मत दो, हम पेपर बैग में ले जाएंगे. पेपर बैग नहीं है तो हाथ
हाथ
में
में
ले
नहीं.
सो हमने दोनों आउटफिट्स ले लिए हैं. लेट्स गो एंड गेट सम जूतीज फॉर यू. चप्पल, जूती या जो भी मिले which goes with both the outfits. झगड़ा ये एक खासियत है इंडिया की, खास करके बॉम्बे में. ओके.
Oh, this
हेलो
is the-
भैया, आपने पहचाना हमें? तो इनके लिए
Oh, wow.
कुछ दिखा दीजिए जो हम खरीद सके और जो दोनों लुक्स पे जा सके.
Little blingy.
Honestly, I love that. I don't know if you saw it. भैया हम आ सकते हैं थोड़ा? ये दिखा दीजिए.
Okay.
Is this not you?
I mean, I never
should
tried
try.
anything like this.
हाँ? हाँ पहन के दिखा दो
और क्या है थोड़ा I like to do little plain का
after you
with my shoes or
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I really liked this
Okay.
it looks nice
Okay.
it's very summer also
थोड़ा bling ज्यादा नहीं है इसमें?
अच्छा उसमें अच्छा ठीक है तो थोड़ा कम ब्लिंग वाला दिखा दीजिए
थोड़ा सा plain subtle जैसा
वो so you are somebody who doesn't like bling ना because I think तुम्हारे costumes इतने ही blingy होते होंगे at times two color नहीं
थोड़ा ज्यादा है थोड़ा कम
it's very आबू जानी उसमें अगर कलर्स भी होगा तो कलर एक ही है but I kind of like it it's very simple oh, you don't like
थोड़ा boring सा है
so yeah
Okay.
which black are you talking about though the Zara which
Yeah.
is not from Zara
You're allowed
yeah
they don't get sued
it is Zara but it is not
Acha,
from Zara.
rejected
It's Zara
Zara.
Hill Road
oh Zara Hill
Bandra
Road
West
wow
हाँ. but I even like this one यार
black
the pointy one yeah
हाँ
भैया इसमें दिखा दो ना ये pointy वाला और वो दूसरा black हाँ
हाँ 39
चलो ठीक है तो आई गेस हम ये ले लेंगे लेकिन अब बारी आती है
bargain करनी वो आप करो
तो बता
you are
दीजिए
amazing at that
भैया बोलो कितना है इसका
free
ये 500 लास्ट हाँ ठीक है चलो दे दो 500 में आजकल हील्स कहाँ ही मिलती है
Seriously?
500 में चलो ठीक है सो
Yeah, I'm
इट्स विन
amazed.
विन आई लव द फैक्ट कि हमें जूती चप्पल तो पसंद नहीं आया लेकिन हमें कोई हील पसंद आई है which we both were aligned in okay
for 500
yeah
it's amazing
yes one to uses के लिए
yeah
thank you भैया all right so for look one I know what I have to buy but I'm just still gonna look at everything else look two के लिए I know what I'm buying if you are also okay with it because you will be wearing it you like this थोड़ा कम shine चाहिए इसमें नहीं है
you like you have
so
too
I,
many
now that I
demands.
know and I guess even your viewers would know Shakti doesn't like anything shiny
मतलब too much ऐसा body
too
type
much
I
bling
don't like.
हाँ I have another task I mean this is one reason why I love Gully fashion task मिल गया मुझे तो देखते हैं क्या ले सकते हैं this is also too gaudy for you
Too big and gaudy big.
okay because you have a very edgy personality so I would want to add some edge we'll place with some geometry today circle and rectangles and
I
since
trust
you have
Saga.
since you have never done bracelets and all
See, I'm only
silver
looking
gold
at
में bracelet
small
है
stuff.
नहीं but आज थोड़ा slightly big because I really want you to experiment आपको
Okay.
एक idea मिल जाएगा आपको कि like what might look better other than what you have been wearing all this while
Done.
or we are done
नहीं I'm okay with whatever you want to get.
okay I'll just carry one more option just in case and we are done all right इसका बता दीजिए कितना होता है 300 और ये भी दे दीजिए
That's also
हाँ.
nice.
yeah I will experiment
Wow.
a little yeah because now my brain is
Yeah, I
working
couldn't
now.
even look at that. I didn't see it. Wow.
so you keep the dress in your mind and you
Okay.
start styling
Yeah.
तुम ऐसे imagine करो ऐसे visualize करो that you have worn that dress and what would look good on you I mean that is how I have been
Wow. No, that's you need a lot of
so
creativity to
प्लास्टिक
put
बैग
it
नहीं
together.
लेंगे हम ऐसे ही ले लेंगे तो टोटल कितना हुआ less
Ah.
than what we are actually supposed to be
We
spending
did
on our budget
1800 total,
हाँ.
and now this
So I
300.
think it's a
400.
win-win and
We
I
saved
cannot
money.
yeah and I cannot wait to get Shakti Gully fashion ready for summer so let's do this बहुत सारा sweat and बहुत सारी मस्ती
Yes.
with Shakti. How that rhymes.
Wow.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that. But it's been 18 years, like I said. I think मैंने 18 साल 18 years मैंने बहुत बार कहा है इस एपिसोड में. But yes, 18 साल के बाद shopping in Bombay कैसा रहा आपका experience?
Actually, it was wonderful. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं ऑनलाइन शॉप क्यों कर रही हूँ? This is great.
So
But yeah, actually I need you to shop. मतलब मैं जाऊंगी and I will go and I'll come back.
that's all I wanted to hear. But making this quick as possible, आज हमने shopping की है ये concept for
700 rupees.
700 rupees and then we got this beautiful dress.
Yes.
It's mint green or pastel, whatever you
Love
call it,
this,
as far
yeah.
as it looks pretty on Shakti. For
600 rupees.
then we got these pair of heels for 500
500.
rupees. And बस छोटे मोटे से
So many accessories.
jewelry, थोड़े बहुत options for 400 rupees. So we were within the budget. More than the budget, I think it was all about the shopping experience. We had a lot of fun,
Yeah.
full of sweat, and can't wait to see Shakti summer ready with Gaga. So let's do this.
Yes.
All right.